So this is how you do a couching stitch. So you're going to start by creating a straight stitch. So you're going to come up at this end of the line and back down again at this end to create a simple straight stitch. And then taking your secondary colour, you're going to come up on the line and pull that through the fabric. And then you're going to come back down the other side of your straight stitch and back down at exactly the same spot where your second colour comes out and pull that tight. And then you're going to come on a little way to create your second stitch. So you're going to come back up through the fabric here, pull that tight, and then back down just on the other side of the stitch or the straight stitch, and again pull that tight to literally couch it in place. And then you're going to come up again to create your third stitch, wrap it round the straight stitch and back down again, and then create your fourth stitch to come it back up just around the other side of the straight stitch and back down again. So this is quite a versatile stitch, so you can kind of create squares or outlines, or you can take it round in circles. If, for example, you don't have an embroidery floss that you're trying to couch in place, but you've got something slightly thicker, then you can use this in exactly the same way and just couch the stitch to keep it in place.